Wealthy?
It sounds like something you have for breakfast.
A Wealthy Award? Are you serious?
Wow, that's amazing. I'm so happy for you guys.
That doesn't surprise me. That seems fairly obvious.
I have heard of wealthmanagement.com, and we read their articles.
Wealthmanagement.com? We love that site.
But they have ideas, and they're always putting out introductions or educations on how to do business and grow our businesses in better ways.
This must be the winner. Like that is my firm expectation.
But Idea Decanter is a finalist, comes as no surprise whatsoever to me.
Well, I'm usually impressed by the outfits on the red carpet.
I think awards are a way in which the world says, hey, good job.
If Idea Decanter is not the winner, there needs to be some serious vote recounting.